Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find Swift code of Maybank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find the Swift code of Maybank, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your browser. Then in the search bar, simply type in Maybank Swift code. Now once you hit search, the Swift code of the Maybank will be displayed, which is MBBEMYKL. Your beneficiary will be able to obtain their bank's code from the respective branch as well. And the next method that you can use is through your online banking or mobile banking. To do it, simply head over to your browser, then on the search bar type in Maybank login. Then simply tap on the first link, which is the Maybank to you, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is enter in your username, and then once done, simply tap on login option and you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter in your password. And then once logged in, simply tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right and look for an option that says international transfers or wire transfer details. Then once you are inside there, you will find your Swift or BIC code right there. And the next method is asking your branch or customer support. They can give you the exact Swift code for your specific branch as well, and use a Swift code lookup tool online as well by searching with your bank name and country. And always confirm the correct Swift code with the recipient or the bank, and using the wrong code can delay or misroute the funds. You will also usually need the recipient's full name and account number for international wire transfers. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.